Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me, Lash Crack Dealer Renee at 5 Min Makeover. I am going to show you guys some quick Lash Crack 4D Epic Mascara tricks to get the longest lashes of your lash life. You got to start by curling your lashes. Okay, if you want your lashes to be super long and get that brow tangle action going on, you got to curl them. I love the Tweezerman eyelash curler. Grab them off Amazon. They're like 10 bucks. Ship direct if you're Prime. Boom. Get your blow dryer and heat up your curler. And I feel like I have food in my teeth. Sorry. Now, if you have never curled your lashes, if you are a lash curling noob, it doesn't hurt. See the difference from when you heat it up to where you have lashes like mine that are blonde and stick straight out and will poke other people in the eye. Okay, do the other side. Easy peasy. You guys ready for lash crack? When you open your tube, slide it out slow. How slow can you go? How slow can you go? This wand is double-sided, and you want it to pick up all those little Y-shaped fibers, but you also want to self-wipe off any extra. Okay, sing it with me now. Wiggle, jiggle, curl. Wiggle, jiggle, curl. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You want to wiggle the wand, and then you want to do a little curly twirl when you get to the top. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So batch number 1 came, and then we got a bonus batch that came. So check your mailbox for lash crack near you. Now you can do your lower lashes. That is optional. Remember, how slow can you go? For me, I like to do my lower lashes. I feel it makes my eyes look bigger. And this 4D mascara is the bomb. Lash comb brush, just to, you know, kind of smooth them out, even them out. Get the look of falsies without falsies. One coat. One coat. So remember, lash curler and blow dryer. How slow can you go? Okay. Wiggle, jiggle, twirl, or wiggle, jiggle, curl. You want to get that little bloop, that little wrist bloop at the end, because that's going to really make your lashes go like that. Look, brow tangle. If you have any questions, please let me know. The May 29th priority shipping almost sold out. Don't do that to your lashes. You don't want to wait till June. You don't want to make your lashes wait until June. So get on my priority shipping list stat. I will put my info up here. Thank you for joining me. Renee, Lash Crack Dealer Extraordinaire at 5 Min Makeover. Let's get your fix on. Bye, you guys.